Hello. So today we all came here through a mode of transportation. Some of us drove by a bus, some of us came with a car, some of us cycled. And suddenly, there was a hole on the road. Now, this is not just a daily problem. Holes on the road kill 1.5 thousand people every year in Turkey. 2 people just now died in India because of potholes. And this is not just a problem for the developing world. In Germany, in Europe, 52.7% of all fatal accidents are caused by potholes on the roads. This is Cordis data. But this is a perfectly preventable problem. We know how to fix potholes. It's cheap, it's easy. The problem is, we don't know where hundreds of thousands of potholes are. So we're providing a solution to that. We've developed and patented a solution, an ultrasound device scanner for roads. And we exploit the fact that garbage trucks go through every road every day. We place this device underneath garbage trucks. It gathers data from every road every day, knowing which one has grown, which one is more problematic for the citizens, and which one will cause problems soon. We put them all onto a geographical information system where we provide the government which road to fix and when. This allows us to come up with interesting savings in both carbon emissions, as asphalt is a carbon product. We cause savings up to 82% in some of our case studies in public funding. And we're currently servicing 6 million people in Turkey with this solution in multiple cities, and we're currently expanding to Sweden and Romania to provide road services over there as well. So, yes.